Hey, what's happening, sneaky heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got the updates, a recap, starting off with the updates. So right now, we're looking at new photos of Nike Blooms, Red Rose. This is a Valentine shoe for 2025. This is the first look. It is an Air Force One. Will be for the females. So the shoe is all red, but it does have some unique features of it. It does feature embossed roses on the side panels. Totally all red shoe. On the back, we do see that Nike Air branding in red as well. On the tongue is red. Everything is pretty much red, but the biggest feature, it does have those embossed roses on the side, giving it a unique look. So let me know if you're rocking these or dropping these. But as of this point right now, we don't have an official release date, and we do not know the official price of these, but we know that Nike Air Force Ones right now are going for around 150 to 160, depending on if it's a special edition or a collaboration. We know that the Kobe's that just came out, those were 130, and Drake's pair of shoes that came out were 160. So we're going to assume that price range is going to be in between there. Again, this is a shoe for the females. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from November 24th to November 30th. Go ahead and start us off, my brother.
So on November the 26th, we did have a family pair, Jordan Jumpman Jack, that were released on November the 26th. Like I mentioned, this was a family pair. Men's price point were going for $200. Preschool was going for $90. And toddlers, infant, aka babies, were going for $75. And according to Nike.com, all sizes did sell out. Nice work there. Nice work there, Jordan Brand. All sizes did sell out. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you were able to snatch up a pair of those.
Yes, sir. So moving on to the last shoe that we on November 30th, we did have a Jordan 1 Game Royal. This did come at a price point of 140 because of that OG branding on the back. This is a nice colorway to me. It was predominantly, the shoe is white with that Game Royal hit on the front and back. Did have that sail midsole. Finishing off the bottom, we do see that Game Royal in blue does have that Nike swoosh in black. And to make the shoe pop, they did give you some black laces. I do think this is a clean shoe overall. And I said I was thinking about picking these up in the future if they went on sale right now. I did see these on DTLR. They did have them on sale for 109. I did have them in hand. I almost pulled the trigger, but since I had already caught me a few pairs of these Jordan 11, I put them back. But let us know down in the comments, Sticky, did you pick up these Game Royals, lows, and are you rocking these or dropping these?
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.